Hi, I'm Marilyn DeMartini with Boat Trader, and we're here in Sarasota, Florida with Boston Whaler aboard the 250 Dauntless. I'm going to invite you to come on board and see what this totally new boat has to offer. Boston Whaler has replaced the former 21 and 24 foot models with a new 22 and 25 foot model. And why they've done this is to take this bay boat and make it even more seaworthy. You'll see that there's a higher gunnel height, and there's also a different hull configuration and a lot of options for smaller boats. You'll see this starts in the aft deck. We've got some really creative use of the space for jump seats. This cushion is magnetized, so it'll stay put when you flip the hatch down. It gives you an ergonomic height too for seating, but when you flip it over, you'll see you've got a lot more aft deck space for fishing. And the seats frame a 35-gallon live well, so that's pretty sizable for a 25-foot boat. You've got mechanical access here, a dive ladder to starboard, and the 300 Mercury outboard engine gives this boat a lot of power. It'll cruise in the 30s, but about 51 top speed, so you can get to your fishing hole quickly. You'll see also that there are options in seating and in how the console is set up. This boat gives you the option of having your whole tackle station aft, lots of cup and rod holders. You see you've got rod holders in various spaces. And they also give you options for the T-top. This has a fully enclosed fiberglass top, and you can color code it to match your boat or have it black or white. You've got your rod holders. There's also a ski tow pole if you want to shift to water sports. And this one's got some fishing poles, so we're ready to go anytime you are. Let's go explore the helm. The helm seat has the most popular configuration that Boston Whaler has found, and that's the pull-down bolster bench. They've upgraded their upholstery to a thicker, a little bit richer looking vinyl and some insets, so the boat has a different look than the former models did. You'll also notice at the helm, we've got two options here. This boat has a glove box instead of the dual screen configuration. They've got Ray Marine here, and also your vessel view, your instrumentation, and a button pad as well. This boat has a Fusion sound system, JL speakers, so you can really hear your tunes while you're out on the water. Another nice feature that they incorporate into the hardtop is a mesh storage area that zips out in bungees, so you can put your life jackets, water toys, things up on above you. On the helm, they also have the sea deck padded area for your incidentals, but a standard built-in charging port that's recessed, so that's a nice handy item as you want to charge your phone. As we go forward to the bow, we'll see some other features. Let's go take a walk. The bow is the differentiator on this boat because it really gives you a lot of space for passengers who want to come along, sit in the sun. You've got a very spacious sun pad in the bow, and all of these cushions are optional. You've got handrails that are at the gunnel height, or they could be raised if you want a more classic Boston Whaler look and a little bit more safety. You've got cup holders, rod holders everywhere, and what this sun lounge gives you is massive storage beneath the seat. So it's really handy for luggage, fenders, gear, whatever you want to bring on board with you. What it also gives you is storage for up to 7-foot rods that can slide through a groove that's in the front of the console and then bungee back on the backside so that they're secure. And also in the console, on the starboard side, you'll have an entrance to the head. It's a very simple but roomy head. And so this gives you the creature comforts that you want to take the family out for the day, but also all the amenities that you need for fishing. But I saw rods on board, so I say we take this 250 Dauntless out and see what we can catch.